Apache and Tunguska will come opposite to each other in a war. Former being the attacker of NATO, while later is a defender of Russian ground forces armor columns. Russian tanks battalions have also ZSU-23-4 SHILKA in service, but its capabilities can easily be standoff by Apache, as SHILKA can engage air target at an effective range of 5 km through active radar guidance. On contrary, with passive engagement capabilities of Apache, it can easily target it at standoff ranges. Further, Apache armor can withstand 23mm shells from SHILKA. Tunguska, being new and updated system, can effectively defend tank units from threat posed by Apache. We will go through the capabilities of both systems and evaluate in the end which is better, either Apache or Tunguska. The Apache first flew in 1975, and has since been upgraded several times, with the newest variant being the AH-64E. We will discuss AH-64D Longbow Apache since it is in service in large numbers. It is equipped with the Northrop Grumman millimeter-wave longbow radar. This radar incorporates an integrated frequency interferometer for passive location and identification of wave-emitting threats. Armament included a 30mm automatic M230 chain gun located under the fuselage. It provides a rate of fire of 625 rounds a minute. The helicopter has capacity for up to 1,200 rounds of ammunition. The AH-64D is armed with a GM-114D Longbow Hellfire air-to-surface missile, which has a millimeter-wave seeker that allows the missile to perform in full fire-and-forget mode. Missile range is from 8 to 12 kilometers. The Longbow Apache carries the combination of armaments chosen for the particular mission. In the close support role, the helicopter carries 16 Hellfire missiles or 8 missiles with Hydra-guided rockets. On the other side, Tunguska M1 is self-propelled anti-aircraft gun missile system designed to defend land forces units and small installations against low-altitude air threats. It is especially effective in defeating attack helicopters before they use guided weapons against armor columns. It can engage targets while stationary and on the move. The visible feature include two 30mm twin-barrel rapid-firing guns for close-in defense with 1,900 rounds, 8 short-range surface-to-air missiles. An electromechanically scanned parabolic E-band target acquisition radar is mounted on the rear top of the turret, and the turret front-mounted J-band pulse Doppler 3D tracking radar. Tunguska with new radar system can detect target at a range of 38 km and start tracking it at 30 km. Further, it can engage threat at range of 18 km effectively. The cannons fires alternatively with a combined rate of fire of between 4,000 to 5,000 rounds per minute. Shells have a muzzle velocity of 960 meters per second. The engagement range is about 4 kilometers. The system can engage aerial as well as ground targets. Tunguska can fire its cannons in two primary modes of operation, radar and optical. In radar mode, the target tracking is fully automatic, with the guns aimed using data from the radar, while in optical mode, the gunner tracks the target through the 1A29 stabilized sight, with the radar providing range data. Tunguska has a crew of 4, including commander, gunner, operator and driver. Pantsyr is a further development of Tunguska, based on an 8x8 cross-country truck. It is a short-range air defense system that was designed to protect strategic military and civil point targets. It uses the same 4 30mm guns, but new and more capable missiles. These have a range of up to 20 kilometers. Tunguska can track and engage Apache well before it detects the SAM battery, giving Tunguska clear advantage in the battlefield in terms of range, as longbow radar can detect target from 8 to 16 kilometers and fires Hellfire at distance of 10 kilometers. In addition, if Tunguska chooses to remain stealth by not emitting radar beams and engage helicopter with its passive thermal and optical sensors, it will engage aerial target at range of 4 kilometers with guns leading to surprise attack. But, it mainly depends on the conditions in which both systems being deployed by respective armies. As Apache may utilize advantage of terrain masking to launch Hellfire missiles, by raising radar dome only, without compromising location. Further, Apache is armed with electronic countermeasure and jamming suits. In short, Tunguska is a formidable air defense system, but it doesn't guarantee 100% protection against air threat. In the end, it depends upon the tactics and techniques, for both Apache and Tunguska in Armor Arena for mission success.